Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Hunter. It's your friend Olivia here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up business cards for print using a 12 by 18 inch paper. This is one of the most popular and cost-effective methods used in digital printing. So if you're designing cards for yourself or a client, this setup will help you maximize your layout and save money. Let's dive right in. So here I already have a standard business card opened in Adobe Illustrator. The regular size of a business card is 3.5 by 2 inches. But we always add a little extra, known as bleed, around the edges for trimming purposes. Typically, we add 0.125 inches of bleed on all sides, which brings the total size to 3.75 by 2.25 inches. But here's the thing. If we use that much bleed, we won't be able to fit the maximum number of cards on a 12 by 18 sheet. So what we're going to do instead is reduce the bleed just a bit. I'm going to draw a new rectangle at 3.625 by 2.125 inches. This gives us a 0.0625 inch bleed on each side, which is still good enough for trimming, especially if you're printing single-sided or your machine registration is decent. Now, I'll align this new rectangle with the existing card and create a clipping mask. This is now the size we'll use for duplication, and because it's slightly smaller, we can now fit more cards per row. Next, we're going to duplicate this card to fill the 12 by 18 sheet. With the selection tool, select the entire card. Press Enter or double-click the Move tool. For the horizontal move, enter 3.625 inches. Then click Copy. Repeat this to get 3 cards in one row. Now do the same vertically. Enter 2.125 inches for the vertical move and repeat until your sheet is filled. Once you're done, group all the cards and then center them on the artboard using the Align panel. At this size, we can fit 24 business cards on a single 12 by 18 sheet. And that's the maximum number possible with this setup. If you're printing both sides, just duplicate the artboard and place the back design on the second one. Make sure the alignment and positioning are exactly the same for proper registration during print. Now here's a quick tip for cutting the cards. You only need one card with a black border as a cut guide. The rest can be clean. Here's how to do that. 1. Select the Direct Selection tool. 2. Click on the black outline. 3. Go to Select Greater Than Same, Greater Than Appearance. 4. Press Ctrl+5 or Command+5 on Mac to turn them into guides. That way, the borders won't be printed, but they'll still show up in your file for cutting alignment. And there you go, your business card sheet is ready for print. You've got 24 cards perfectly arranged on a 12 by 18 sheet, optimized for quality, efficiency, and easy cutting. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If you found it useful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Tech Hunter, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a future upload. Got any questions or video requests? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.